Google is changing the way that their apps are integrated into Canvas. We're going to look at how this changes for a Canvas page and a Canvas assignment. First, we're going to look at the page. I'm going to show you the difference between the original Google Apps integration and the new Google LTI. To insert a Google Doc or Google Slides into this Canvas page, in the original format, you would go to the plugin, and if these aren't listed here, you'll click View All. In the original one, you'd go to Google Apps, find the document you're looking for, and click Embed. What you'll notice is that we have full editing tools for this Google Doc while embedded in this page. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like in the new Google LTI. I'm going to go to the plugin, click View All, and choose Google Drive LTI 1.3. You'll select a file from your Dunlin account, I'm going to choose that same Constitution file and click Add, and then Attach. You'll notice that it still embeds it in the page, but this now does not have those same editing tools. You can still edit things in Google Docs in a separate tab, and it will live change them in the embed. It just doesn't allow you to do the editing inside the Canvas page itself. Those are the differences between the original Google Apps product and the new Google Drive LTI. Now we're going to look at the difference with a Google assignment. If you've used Google assignments like a cloud assignment before, you'll know that you go to Edit. Under Submission Type, you would choose External Tool, click Find, and choose Google Docs Cloud Assignment. I'm going to do that as an example. I'm going to choose that Constitution worksheet, hit Submit, select, and hit Save. For a Google Cloud assignment, this is what your setup will look like. The editable version for students will be embedded right on their Canvas page, and they'll have that Submit button over here. Now let's look at what the Google LTI, Google Assignments, will look like. So in the new LTI for Google Assignments, you're still going to change the submission type to External Tool, and you're going to click Find. But this time, instead of choosing Google Docs Cloud Assignment, we're going to choose the new Google Assignments LTI 1.3. It's once again going to make sure that I'm in my Dunlin Google account, and I'm going to click Link. I'm going to allow this to link. And then where it says Attach, I'm going to find that Constitution Day activity. And it does allow you to check for plagiarism. I believe there's a limited number of these that you get. I want to say it's only like 5 assignments per semester. And then you can set the total points and the due date. You can also attach a rubric or create one, and then hit Create. And then select and save. This is the teacher view for Google Assignments. It would show you your submissions here so that you can click on them and grade them for the students. I'm going to show you what a submission will look like in a moment after I show you the student view. Now I'm looking at the same assignment in student view. Students will see that there is an ability to open, attach, and submit. They're going to click on that and then click on the name of the assignment. They will have the ability to add additional files or create additional files, but I'm just going to click on the name. What you'll notice is when I type and then close this window and I click the same link, it is reopening the same document. So this is not making multiple copies every time you click the link. When I'm ready and I've made all of my edits to this link, I will click submit. Now if I go back to Canvas and I leave student view, I will see as the teacher that I have one submission. Currently, SpeedGrader is not available for Google assignments, but it is coming. If I would like to grade this, I just have to click on the submission. And Google Assignments actually has their own form of SpeedGrader. So I can make comments, I can write on this, and then I can ultimately grade it and provide feedback. And once I do, I can click return. So now you'll see that the student has a score on here, and when I go to grades, you would see that this has automatically been put into the gradebook. And once they add the SpeedGrader feature, which is coming soon, you won't even have to use the Google assignment grade screen. You'll be able to grade it right in Canvas. That is the comparison between the original Google Apps or Google Cloud Assignments and the new Google LTI 1.3.